Have you ever wondered how the new IRS tax bracket might affect your pocketbook? Well, let's dive right into it. The IRS tax bracket is a tiered system that determines the rate at which your income is taxed. The recent changes to these brackets are more than just numbers on a page. They have real-world implications that could impact your bottom line. For some, these changes might mean a few extra dollars in their pocket at the end of the year. For others, it might mean adjusting their budget to account for a higher tax bill. Regardless of your income level, understanding the new IRS tax bracket is crucial. Why, you ask? Because it's your hard-earned money we're talking about. And knowing where it's going can help you plan and prepare for the future. So, what does the new IRS tax bracket mean for you? Stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of these changes and how they might impact your taxes. So, what exactly is the new IRS tax bracket? That's probably the question on everyone's mind right now. Well, let's break it down. The IRS tax bracket is essentially a range of incomes taxed at a given rate. The new IRS tax bracket has been adjusted for inflation, which means the income ranges have shifted slightly compared to the previous year. This is a key change that you need to be aware of. Now let's understand the tax rates for different income levels. For a single filer, if you make up to $9,750, you fall into the 10% tax bracket. If you earn between $9,751 and $40,525, you'll be in the 12% bracket. Income from $40,526 to $86,375 falls into the 22% bracket. If you earn between $86,376 and $164,925, you'll be taxed at 24%. Income from $164,926 to $209,425 falls into the 32% tax bracket. And if you make between $209,426 and $523,600, you'll be in the 35% bracket. And lastly, if you earn over $523,601, you'll be taxed at the highest rate of 37%. These tax rates might seem daunting, but remember, the U.S. has a progressive tax system. This means you don't pay the same rate on every dollar you earn. Instead, you pay each rate only on the income within that bracket. Remember, these are the rates for single filers. The brackets are different if you're married filing jointly or if you're the head of a household. Now that we've got a basic understanding, let's dive deeper into how this might affect you. How does this new tax bracket affect taxpayers like you and me, you may be wondering? Well, let's delve into that. Firstly, let's consider folks on the lower end of the income spectrum. Under the new tax bracket, they might find themselves in a slightly better position. This is because the tax rates for the lower income levels have been reduced. For example, someone earning around $30,000 annually could see their tax rate drop from 15% to 12%. That's a 3% decrease, which can make a tangible difference in their annual budget. However, it's not all roses. Those in the middle income range might not be as lucky. Despite some reductions in tax rates, they could face the brunt of indirect taxes, like an increase in sales tax or property tax. For instance, a family earning $65,000 a year might only see a negligible decrease in their income tax, but the increase in other indirect taxes could offset this benefit. On the other hand, for those in the higher income bracket, the picture is a bit more complicated. Yes, they will a reduction in their income tax rate, but they might also lose some deductions they previously enjoyed. So, someone earning around $200,000 annually may save on income tax, but the loss of certain deductions could lessen the impact of that saving. What about the self-employed and small business owners? They might find the new tax bracket a bit more favorable, as it includes certain benefits like a reduction in the corporate tax rate. This could lead to increased profitability, which could then be reinvested back into the business. So it's clear that these changes could have significant effects. But how can we make handling them easier? The answer is understanding. Understanding how these changes affect you personally and planning accordingly is key. It's not just about the numbers on your tax return, it's about your financial health as a whole. So whether you're earning $30,000 or $300,000, it's crucial to understand these changes and plan accordingly. So it's clear that these changes could have significant effects, but how can we make handling them easier? Before we end this video, if you found the information helpful, do us a favor and hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, and don't forget to smash that like button. Together, we can navigate these financial waters. Until next time, take care. In this fast-paced world, wouldn't it be nice to have a mobile service that simplifies tax management? Well, let me introduce you to just that. Picture a tool that not only helps you stay on top of your tax obligations, but does so in a way that is easy, intuitive, and convenient. This is more than just a tax calculator or an online form. It's a comprehensive service that brings the power of tax management to the palm of your hand. Now let's dive into some of the features that make this mobile service stand out. Firstly, it offers real-time updates on your tax status. No more waiting around for mail or logging into multiple websites. With this service, you can get instant updates and reminders at your fingertips. The mobile service also provides a clear, easy-to-understand breakdown of the new IRS tax bracket. Tax codes can be complex and confusing, but this tool simplifies all that. It presents the information in a user-friendly format, making it easier for you to understand where you fall in the new tax bracket. Another standout feature is the personalized tax planning. The service takes into account your income, expenses, and other financial details to provide tailored advice. This means you can make informed decisions and potentially save money. But the benefits don't stop there. The mobile service also offers secure, encrypted storage of your tax documents. No more sifting through stacks of paper or worrying about losing important documents. With this service, you can keep everything in one place and access it anytime, anywhere. And the best part? This mobile service is not just for tax season. It's a year-round companion that helps you stay informed and prepared. So whether you're planning for the next tax season or dealing with tax-related issues, this service has got you covered. And there you have it. A mobile service that simplifies tax management, provides real-time updates, offers personalized tax planning, and keeps your documents secure. With this handy tool, managing your taxes could become less of a headache. So why not give it a try? After all, when it comes to taxes, we could all use a little help. How exactly can we use this service to our advantage? Well, let's dive into that. First, you'll need to download the mobile app. It's available on both Android and iOS platforms. Once installed, you'll be prompted to create an account. This is a simple process requiring only your name, email address, and a unique password. Now let's move on to the features that make this service so unique. The first feature is the tax bracket calculator. This handy tool allows you to enter your income details, and it will automatically calculate which tax bracket you fall into under the new IRS system. No more guesswork or lengthy calculations. This feature does it all for you. Next up, we have the Tax Savings Planner. This feature is designed to help you plan your finances better and find ways to save on taxes. It offers suggestions based on your income and spending habits, helping you maximize your savings and minimize your tax liability. One of the most attractive features of the mobile service is the Document Organizer. This feature allows you to scan and store all your tax-related documents in one place. It helps you keep track of your receipts, invoices, and other important documents, making tax filing a breeze. Last, but certainly not least, is the live chat support. This feature connects you with tax experts who can answer any questions you might have about the new tax bracket and how it affects you. They're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you're never left in the dark. The mobile service also offers regular updates and notifications about any changes to the tax laws, so you're always in the loop. So, there you have it. The mobile service is not just an app. It's a comprehensive tool designed to help you navigate the complexities of the new IRS tax bracket. With its user-friendly interface and useful features, it's sure to make managing your taxes a whole lot easier. As you can see, this service could be a game changer when it comes to handling your taxes. So, what's the bottom line on the new tax bracket and this innovative mobile service? We've journeyed through the landscape of the new IRS tax bracket, breaking down its structure and potential impact on taxpayers. We've seen how it's designed to be more fair and balanced, potentially lightening the load for many individuals and families. We've also introduced you to an exciting mobile service that's ready to go the extra mile for a smile. This service simplifies tax filing and offers remote assistance, making it easier than ever to navigate the complexities of the tax world. In conclusion, the new tax bracket could bring significant changes to your financial situation. Paired with the mobile service, you're equipped with tools and resources to understand and manage these changes more effectively. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, understanding your taxes is the first step towards smarter financial management. Until next time, take care.